out. And I think we've seen the limits. Let me not call it limits, but we've seen what Jimmy G has been able to do, how far Jimmy G has been able to take the San Francisco 49ers. And that's a known commodity. We're excited about that. But what's even more exciting is what the San Francisco 49ers, Kyle Shanahan, has seen with Trey Lance, right? We all talk about his athletic ability, but there's also an understanding of the offense. He got reps last season. He got reps in a couple games. He started some games last season. He got a huge win in Week 17 that helped the San Francisco 49ers keep their playoff hopes alive last season. And so for me, there's the idea of being a quarterback, a passer, a pocket passer that Trey Lance has, all of that. He did it in college. He has it in the NFL. But there's another added dimension that Trey Lance has that Jimmy G doesn't have that is huge for this Kyle Shanahan coach offense. It's his mobility. It's his ability to run the zone read, to press and stretch edges, to put defenders on skates, and to help this offense go to the next level. And so for me, it's a no-brainer, hands down, great decision to move forward with Trey Lance because you know he can get you over whatever hump that Jimmy G wasn't able to get you over.
Ooh, you say hands down, I got to put my hands up because we're going to need the Lord for this one. I don't know how you can just sit here and say hands down. When the last time have we seen Trey Lance play a full season? We don't know. Let's be honest now. We don't know what we're getting. We don't know. We don't know. We haven't seen him play in a long period of time to sit up here and say, hey, Trey Lance is going to be the. What I do know this, Sam.
I will say this.
Sam,
hold on.
Let me give you
play.
What we do know, Sam,
go ahead.
what we do know is the last 3 years, the San Francisco 49ers have been to a Super Bowl. They've been to a NFC Championship game, and if it wasn't for DB not catching a doggone interception, they probably would have went to another Super Bowl. I know when Jimmy Garoppolo is their quarterback, they're going to probably win 70% of their games. That's what I do know. Now,
that's not the goal.
Just give me a second. Is a guy like Trey Lance, is he more athletic? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. But I think the 49ers had to make this move right now for a few reasons. Number one, you went up to number 3 to go draft Trey Lance. You realized last year that he wasn't ready to be your quarterback, and you had Jimmy G. Number 2, the money that Jimmy G is holding up, you have a guy named Deebo Samuel who has to get paid. You also have a guy named Nick Bosa who has to get paid. So when I'm looking at the 49ers for the long term of their sake, is Trey Lance the right call? Yes. I just don't know for the short term if Trey Lance is the right guy because we don't know what he's going to be.
Yeah, the goal, if I can rebut real quick, the goal was never to win 70% of your games. The goal was never to go to the NFC Championship game. The goal is never to lose in the Super Bowl. You want someone who's going to take you over the top. And so the 49ers have a roster that is built to win right now. They have the best left tackle in the game, one of the best tight ends in the game, one of the best receivers or hybrids in the game, one of the top defenses in the game. Yeah, one of the best everything in the game. And so for me, the goal isn't like Jimmy G puts a limit on what you can achieve, and they've seen that, right? You could say, man, the one overthrow, if it wasn't for that one overthrow in the Super Bowl, well, Jimmy G did the overthrow, right? Man, if it wasn't for NFC Championship, it wasn't a dropped interception. Jimmy G had some moments that he missed. It wasn't, right?
But
and so for
how
me,
we know
San
Trey Lance
Francisco's
gonna make
not
that throw?
trying to win. Let me finish, because I'll let you finish.
I got you.
The San Francisco 49ers goal was never to win 70% of their games. They know, right? Kyle Shanahan knows who he wants on his roster. Kyle Shanahan says, this is my guy. No offense, Jimmy G. You're still a great quarterback, and we're going to hope that you look good and trade value, all this stuff. But I want Trey Lance on my roster because unlike everybody that talks on TV, like you and me and everybody else, we've seen him every single day. Unlike a lot of people, we saw him in college. The last full season he played, he won championships. He was undefeated. He set records in college, right? You can say, oh, FCS, all you want. You said the last full season. That's what he did in his last full season. And so for me, the goal, you have a limit. Jimmy G has shown us what the limit is. And I think that the San Francisco 49ers do not want to be limited. It's a risky situation. Yes, we don't know if Jimmy G can do it, but we also didn't know if Patrick Mahomes could do it his rookie year when he only played a game or two and then he popped on the scene, right? We didn't know these things. And so that's why you take this risk, because you want to go win Super Bowls, not just win 70% of your games.
So it's Super Bowl or bust for the 49ers, right?
Yeah. You know what? And I'll tell you what, let me just pick it up from there. I think that question you see on the bottom of the screen below us, does Trey Lance give the 49ers the best chance to win? I think you could you could change it to this. Does Trey Lance give the 49ers the best chance to win big?
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.